All right, kids, welcome back to the shop. Today we have a Stanley Fat Max 450 amp jumper box. I've been using it to run the Sirius lights on my my car. When I'm in the construction zone, I have to have Sirius lights on. Didn't want to kill the battery in my car, so I would plug it into here, and it was working great. I charge it every night. I come home tonight, went to charge it, and it stopped charging. I could show you, but believe me, it stopped charging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tear it apart and see why it isn't charging anymore.
Now that we have this apart, let's throw a meter on it and test it. I plug it into a 110 outlet. This is how you charge this thing. Sorry about the meter placement, but I'm getting 11 volts as my reading. We need to be at 12. I'm not sure what I'm in for. Let's get rid of this battery and take a look at the charger.
Oh, this is a charger, look. That's all this is. This is a battery charger, look. 12 volt, 120 volt AC, 12 volt DC. So that seems simple. How could that go bad?
I have to remove the air compressor to access the charger. Also, there is an electronic board that I'm going to have to remove also.
Alright guys, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to snip this here, so when I get a new one I can splice it here. I don't have to solder it on the board. So let's do that. Just like that. I ordered a new power supply from Amazon, my favorite place. It was cheapy, I forget. It's a little different, as you can see. That might cause a problem, it might not, because see how this protrudes out, so I'm hoping we'll figure something out. I'm not worried about it. So
I cut the end off of the new charger, strip the ends, and just twist them together so I can check it to make sure this is going to work. I'm looking for 12 volts.
Lights on. I don't want to see it. Lights on. Trust me. All right, we need DC current. DC. There we go, 12 volts. 11.94. I'm guessing that's what I need. Let's see if we flip these around. Yep, negative. Perfect. Okay. So that's the way we check that.
Time for reassembly.
All right, guys, I ran into a bit of a problem. Here's the, there's junk on there from Lauren's door. This is the old one, this is the new one. All right, you see the issue already. And then this is the clamp that holds this in place. And this is supposed to mount on this side, and then this sticks out. Well, the problem, if you guys can see, is I don't have enough real estate in here to fit this through. All right, what I decided to do was this cover here. So this is the air line, and the air line goes out through that hole right there. And then this was a cover, and you're supposed to roll the line up into that. And my plug was hitting the back of this. So when I removed it, hopefully you guys can see it, the plug fit in perfect. And then if we flip it up this way, look, it's sticking out. I can live with that, because I could probably, attach that again. It looks like I could. So what I'm going to do, and this fits in where it needs to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this right here. I'm going to cut it here and here.
I grab a pair of tin snips and just chop away at the plastic until the charger fits. It's no big deal. Now that I know that everything's going to fit, I solder the wires back together. And yes, I installed shrink tube. Time to install the air compressor. I left the wires for the charger long, so I just wrap them up and zip tie them out of the way. When I cut this housing, it left a lot of sharp edges. I'm just taking my Burns-O-Matic and melting the sharp edges away. Don't burn the place down or burn yourself. This is hot plastic. This is going to work good. Let's get everything else installed, including the battery.
All right, there we go. Look, that looks good. Look at this, huh? Like it never even happened. Okay, let's try it again. Plug her in. Plug her in. Okay, look, lights on. Let's take this off. Button works. That button works. Yeah, the light's on. So the only thing I need the on switch for is the jumper box. I mean, I didn't realize that until just now. So let's make sure. So it's off. Where's my minus? Minus. Okay, we got nothing. We got 0.3 volts. Turn that on. 12 volts. It's working. All right, guys. This is perfect, man. Another resurrection from the underground. So I hope you guys like this video. Comment. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Hit the like button if you liked it. If you don't like it, well, hit the like button anyway. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.